Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Titser Gaming page. So for today's lesson, I'll be teaching you on how to find the values of the given functions. So as you can see, you have 11 different representations of functions. The first two are mapping diagram. You have tables, ordered pairs, graph, and also the function rules or the equations. So now let's go ahead and find f of 3 plus c of 9. So since this is f of 3, we're going to look at f of x, and then we are going to look for the output here where the input is 3. And so x is 3 here, and so the output there is 0. So we are going to replace our f of 3 here with 0, and then plus c of 9. We are going to look at the c of x here where the input is 9, and so the output is -2. And so we are going to replace our c of 9 here with -2, and then add them together, so the answer is -2. Now let's move on to the square of g of -2. So now let's look at g of x, and so we are looking for the output where the input is -2. So -2 is here, and so your graph goes down, and so the output here is -4. So we are going to replace our g of -2 here with -4, and then square it. So the answer is 16. And now let's move on to h of 2 plus b of 3. So our h of x here is an equation, and so we're going to look for the output here where the input is 2. So simply you plug in 2 to your x here. So this is gonna be 2 times 2 plus 1, and 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So our h of 2 is 5. So we are going to replace our h of 2 here with 5 plus the value of b of 3. So let's look at b of x, and so the input is 3. The output is 10. So we are going to put 10 here and then add them together. So that's 15. All right. And lastly, we have 4 g of 3. So we are going to copy 4 and then times the value of g of 3. So now let's go back to g of x again. And the input is 3. So the output is 3 since your graph goes up. So replace your g of 3 here with 3, and then multiply them together. So the answer is 12. So that is how you find the values of the given function. So hope you learned something. Bye.